Ditto. Star. Come down. Ditto.
You'll find my money. What? I had $600 and I can't find it.
Come down. Come on.
My money.
What's wrong with you? What are you doing?
Come down.
Do you have any money?
No, I don't have any money.
You want to sleep with me? You think my money I'll let you have it. What? No. No. What? No. Oh, get off! Get off! Get off! Get off from me!
Come on.
Calm down.
Star. Come on.
Okay, do you have any medical insurance? Can you pay cash for this? No, I don't have any money. All right, you'll have to declare
Come
yourself
down.
negligent. Do you understand that?
Come on. Ditto.
What am I supposed to feel sorry for you because of you? Because you made $10,000 a minute doing nothing? Oh, it was so hard, so terrible. They treated me so bad. Listen, girl, you had a free ride. And you
Whoa.
blew it.
Whoa. Come down.
And me? I was some kid from Ohio, reading fashion magazines, looking at your picture and thinking, I'm supposed to look like that. And going crazy because I don't. Because nobody told me it was a lie.
Birds, come down.
The magazine
Ditto, Star.
doesn't come with a label that says, caution, this is a lie. Nobody looks like this. Even you.
And that is how tall it is. I don't think I could get them.
Well, the answer.
Come on. Woo! There we go. Got one down, one to go.
I said to them, look,
Come on.
I'm not the drug addict here. I'm not
Come
the
on,
one that
Viva.
you should be ripping apart. That this is all very,
You're smart.
just let it be.
There we go.
Look, I know. You want to blame somebody.
Say bye.
You want to blame me. Okay,